Good times, man, good times. So this guy moved out of here. He lived here for 2 years. And when she walked the apartment after he moved out, there was a big freaking hole in the ceiling. Of course, I already cut it all out, but you know, there was a big section of the ceiling gone. Okay, so about a year and a half ago, they replaced the roof. Well, they replaced the roof a year ago because there were so many roof leaks. Okay, but this guy never told anybody. The point of this video is, I'm gonna show you a trick. Okay, so when you got drywall like a ceiling that's had water damage, you'll always get the drywall buckle. It'll hold that moisture in there and it'll buckle down. So the way, without having to tear all this out just to get a flat piece drywall, you won't get that because this is 40 plus years old. Okay, so in order to get this drywall, in order to get that drywall straight and be able to put a brand new piece of drywall beside it, the easiest way to do it is this way. Hold on, I'll show you. Let me put this up here. Is to take, now this is just a simple 1x4, nothing major, 3/4 by 1 or 4 inch. It's actually smaller than that, but so you take it and you set it, you split it about halfway, you know, because you want something to screw to. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to walk the screws. Okay, you walk them, you get them started. You don't torque them down, because if you torque them down, it's going to blow right through drywall. Okay, so you can see over here I've already done it. I started on the outer edges, put them on each end, and just walk them through. Just barely tap them to slowly pull that piece of drywall back up. That's the best way to do it. So I'll show you what I mean by walking it. Let's see if I can get you. I don't even know if you can see me or not, or see what I'm doing, but so I'm gonna set one here, push it back. I don't need a whole bunch out here. I'm just tapped it, just get a hold of it. Okay, I come back here a little bit. See how it started pulling up? Then we'll come back over here. I'm just pulling it. That's all I'm doing. All right, I get more screws. Okay. So I'm just gonna go back over here. I'm just babysitting it, man. Just barely pulling up. Because if you hit it hard, man, you'll blow right through that drywall. Okay, and then one in the middle. Okay. So once you get your screws in there, you want to go walk back through there and just pull them up a little bit. A walking drywall. Just get that nail, that screw head, just past the drywall. You don't want to get deep. If you get deep, it's going to start losing its integrity and it'll blow out. Unlike setting brand new drywall, that's a little different. This, I'm just getting underneath the edge of the drywall. See? That way now I have nice, somewhat straight drywall. I got stud on each side that I'll anchor my drywall to, and then I'll screw the drywall to this, and that'll kind of bring the two together. Versus this, see how that's got a nasty dip to it? So that's the easiest way to do it, man. I get drywall up here. I use the pole jack. I use that for all kinds of stuff, like putting up cabinetry. I'll also use it on spots where the drywall just needs to be pushed back up. That's what I did over here, where this had lost its integrity, and I walked that drywall back up real slow, because this side's gonna be brand new tape and it'll all look pretty. Cool beans? All right, guys, we'll see you in a little bit. Whew. I'm getting old, dudes. Woo! I just can't do this anymore. I'm getting old, bro. I'm getting old. I don't do this crap anymore.